Hi everyone, Meher Aunty here. Today I need to talk about something quite serious, and it's a very, take this as a warning. Take this as a warning because this is probably the best warning you're going to get. Keep UWCers away from everything. Do not let UWCers near your organizations. Do not work with them. Do not talk to them. They will drive you crazy. I just looked up UWC values. My God. My God. The thing is, UWCers are the kind of people that you don't want to know. You know, I mean, if a friend comes to you and says, this is where I've hidden the body, you help the friend, right? Do you know what they'll do? Do you know what they'll do? They will call like a bunch of people together to sit and talk to the person and intervene and say, ye kya kiya, you shouldn't have done this. They will actually make them face the law. They are not your friends. They're not your friends. Remember that. They do not cover up rape and murder. In fact, they're so ethical, it's violent. The violence that I've had to face because of their ethics is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. They criticize so well and so logically that you're left stumped, and then you have no option but to accuse them of abuse. And you know, I've also heard that they don't listen when important people call them and say, hey, give my kid a scholarship. They don't even pick up the phone, they hang up, they blacklist. My God, can you imagine? Can you imagine? They say, oh, we believe in merit. Look, we are helping you, beta, we're helping you, we're telling you who to give the merit to. But no, no. It's just, I mean, if you want to get a headache, you hang out with UWC and talk to them about values, especially resilience. My God, as much as you try and break them, somehow they'll bounce back because they have this community and it is global, and they will talk to people in all sorts of places. They'll be talking to people in New Zealand, in the UK, in Spain, maybe even Botswana and South Africa and Finland and everywhere. They will defame you if they don't agree with you. It's nuts, you know. You can't even break them because like somebody somewhere in the world will say, come stay with me and I'll make you feel better. They have this ability, you know, to really bounce back. There's resilience. I was trying to understand how it is that these things get so deeply ingrained, and then I've just looked up their values, and it's part of it. They say we have personal responsibility and integrity and we uphold it. Good Lord, what about the collective? You know, what about the collective? And then of course, when I said, what about the collective? One of them turned around to the others, started laughing and saying, look, they're like the Borg. They're like the Borg. And I was like, okay, fine. We are the Borg. We will eliminate you. And you know what they did? Do you know what they did? They became the Q to the Borg, popping up randomly, making fun, laughing. They ruin everything. UWC, I have a special warning. The resilience, the integrity, this belief, this environment, this ability to work with different people, this global movement, all of this. I mean, if you have gone to the Hogwarts for hippies, which was in Tatler, you know, then just go become friends with royalty, come back, help us all get visas, help us all. Help us. Get us funding, that kind of stuff. But no. We end up hearing things like accountability. We end up hearing things like, if you really value your legacy, then maybe you should, you know, make an effort to correct things before you actually die, because we do have to die. Yeah, we do have to die. So, well, they're just beyond me. I can't deal with them. We're trying, yelling, doing everything, guilting them, accusing them, and they just don't care. They just don't care. I mean, look at them acting like the Q to the Borg. It is just not. It's just not. And as much as I'm trying to tell them that your logic is wrong and contribution cancels abuse, and listen, vintage trauma is collectible, beta. Vintage trauma. They're just something else. They're just something else. So please listen to me. Do not even talk to a UWCer. They're absolutely, all of them are crazy. They're absolutely crazy. Don't. Keep them away. Keep them far away. Don't let them work for you. Don't let them near you. I'm telling you, they are so ethical, it's violent. It's violent. Oh God, please boycott this UWC, please, please, please. I'm certainly going to tell people not to send their kids there anymore. I mean, the kids are not getting in anyway, but you know. Anyway, I have something to say to you UWCers, because you will object and you will troll me and you will write stupid comments and you will say things and you will defend yourselves and your movement. I fought Zia. What did you do?